Beautiful day here at the small little waterfall, about 5 minutes from the house. I filmed this waterfall before right here on my YouTube channel years ago. What do you think about your first time at the waterfall? Is it beautiful, Dalton? Got someone down there getting ready to fish a little bit, so that's going to be cool. A lot of good times here on this waterfall. Dalton, what do you think? Tell everybody what you think. Is he going to catch anything down there, Dalton?
Yeah. There's a stick down here. That's a stick.
Is it pretty?
That's a stick.
Do you want to go see some more stuff? Alright.
That's a stick down there.
Let's walk this way, Dalton. I'm going to show everybody something. It ain't nothing fancy. This place used to have a little deck that used to sit right here. But apparently people can get used to get married, but they tore that down. Shame, shame, shame. A lot of vandalism here. Alright, Dalton, come on.
What you trying to do? Ah! Fell. This could be a road down here.
Alright, here's a little cave. They have done a lot of vandalizing, like usual. Come on, Dalton, let's go check and see if there's a bear in here. Come on.
I hate these walks.
I don't know how far it goes in, but you only go inside the cave. Let's go inside the cave.
Don't shoot us. Don't shoot us. Come on.
Here, grab the phone, Dalton.
Okay.
Grab the phone. Don't, it's recording now. It's recording.
It's recording in here.
Alright, let me see my phone.
You should have
So,
Don't listen to me.
what do you think, Dalton?
There's glass. No.
Easy, easy.
Get out of here. There's glass.
Here's where a little cave that you can come in and hide. Ain't no bears in here tonight, no yogi. Damn vandalizing. They vandalize everything. Alright, Dalton. Let's see if we can get up out of here without getting killed, okay? No, I'm joking. Don't cut yourself.
Can you show me something else? Can you find that cage?
I don't know if there's any more caves or not.
Bear must have shown us.
That's hard for a big guy to get into. Shame that vandalism had to happen.
There's fishies in here.
Yep.
Oh, that's a fishy.
We gotta catch one first. Is it pretty? He ain't been fishing for the first time yet, but Daddy's gonna take him very soon. Nope. Alright, turn around. Alright guys, we're in the waterfall. We're walking on top of the waterfall. Dalton's very first time walking the waterfall. What do you think, Dalton?
It's too wet, it's too cold.
Hope I'm not zoomed out all the way. I don't know how this works. I can't see. Sorry for a little blur there. All right, come on. Walk with me. We're gonna walk over here. You don't want to do it? Well, sit right there and Daddy's gonna do it. Sit right there on that rock. Sit on that rock. All right, I'm gonna walk across this for a minute, guys. The waterfall's right down there. My son's right there. Don't get wet. I hope I don't slip because I doubt my phone's waterproof. And these rocks are very slick. So if I fall, there will be no more live me for a while. Or YouTube videos. And this is really cold on my feet. So I'm gonna get out of here. Woo. I tell you, this water was a lot colder today. Of course, we still just in a few days of spring. Usually, back in my young days, my little brother and my little sister and my friends, we used to walk this and swim in this all the time. Of course, it's still March and it's still cold. But this is a little hangout spot. Of course, not as pretty as it used to be because a lot of people vandalized it, teared a lot of stuff up, like the cave, for example. But it's still fun out here. I'm pretty sure y'all guys and ladies out there probably got places just like this close to home. It was sunny out here, but it's still an all good day.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I got it.
Dalton, that gets slick now. Be careful.
These pretty flowers, but then yellow.
So what do you think so far, Dalton? You having fun? He's putting his shoes on. We're gonna go to the lower end of the waterfall. You ready?
Yes, I could touch it, right?
Yeah.
But I don't like swimming over there. It's over there.
Yeah, this water's too cold to swim that day.
Yeah. But I want to go swim, but the ducks are stuck in there. We want there.
Dalton! Yeah, you got your flip-flops wet. No, Dalton, we're not going over there, buddy. You'll fall and break your neck.
Are there any snakes in here?
Yeah.